everyone, I'm Lynette. I'm the Marketing Director at Lismore & Associates, and today I am with McKim Beal from Town Bank Mortgage. Thank you, McKim, for being here. And we are going to talk about Federal Home Loan Bank grant programs. So these are grant programs that are available through the Federal Home Loan Bank, and there are two of them this year that are being offered for the year 2021. So McKim, can you tell us about those two programs?
Absolutely. Thank you for having me today, Lynette. Yes, for the banks that participate with Federal Home Loan Bank, these allocations of money typically come out in January with funds available in February. So now we're in year 2021 and the program has reset. They made some changes to it this year where there are basically two categories or two buckets per se. First is first-time home buyer. Now, a definition of a first-time home buyer for a program such as this is anyone who has not had ownership in a property for the past 3 years. So if you are a first-time home buyer, then you would be eligible for a $7,500 closing cost assistance grant.
Wow.
That's terrific.
That's awesome.
In most cases, that can pay all or most of the closing costs on a transaction. The second is the community partners. In the past, they had a different category which would cover our active duty and veteran applicants. This year they put everything pretty much again in one bucket, where this program is for currently employed or retired law enforcement officers, educators, healthcare providers, firefighters, first responders, veterans active duty, their surviving spouses. This is a broad category. If you work for a public institution that's state certified, school teachers, firemen, it's a huge category, and a lot of these people are either first-time buyers or not. In this case, you do not have to be a first-time buyer on the Community Partners program. It is a $10,000 grant.
Wow.
That money, again, is used towards down payment and or all costs associated with closing costs. Great program.
That's great.
These funds will be exhausted. It's a limited amount of money that each participant has. And basically, if we do the math at $10,000 at $1 million, that's 100 loans. So,
Not a lot.
if you think that this is something of interest to you, contact your Lismore agent. They'll get you in touch with either myself or someone. Let's see if you can do this. But do not wait, because this money will be gone in the early part of spring.
Wow, yeah, those sound like great programs.
It's a great program.
That's awesome. Yeah, so you guys don't want to wait. Like McKim said, if you're interested, if you think you qualify, if you just want to see if in fact you do qualify, get in touch with us. You can send an email to info@lismore.com. We can put you in touch with an agent or contact your Lismore agent. They'll put you in touch with a lender, get you qualified, and see if you can't be of benefit from one of these grant programs. So thank you, McKim. This is great information.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
Thanks.